Have you heard about iLet Solutions Python with Excel course?
Yes, I have. It's a beginner-friendly course that teaches you how to use Python with Excel to improve your data crunching and analysis skills.
That sounds interesting. How does it work?
In the course, you will learn how to use openpxyl to create, manipulate, and present data in Excel using Python commands.
Do I need any previous coding experience?
No, you don't. The course only requires a basic understanding of Excel.
What are the benefits of learning Python with Excel?
Using Python for Excel is ideal for those who work closely with databases or large spreadsheets or are interested in learning more about data analytics. By the end of the course, you will be able to create spreadsheets, crunch data, and present information as charts and graphs solely using Python commands.
That's impressive. How many lessons are there?
There are 40 short lessons in the course, making it easy to learn at your own pace.
That's great to hear. I'll definitely consider taking the course to improve my data analysis skills.
That's fantastic. The course is perfect for anyone interested in improving their data analysis skills.